Hi people. So in this video we will talk about how we can set up hosting our email account. I would prefer to use Hostinger paid version. Over here I'm using free one, as you can see. So I'm creating a new email account. So we'll get the SMTP settings, which is the host name, port and encryption. The host will be smtp.hostinger.com. So we'll come here, we'll select sending servers and news. We'll click on new server and we will choose SMTP and we'll put over here this. The port will be 465. SMTP encryption SSL. Username will be our email ID, the one which we created now, which is demo@nooraz.com. So let me copy this, and the password will be the one which we have put now. This is the password. Let us click on save. Yeah, see, it's done. Then we'll name this as Hostinger email, Hostinger SMTP. The both are same. So it's done. Default from email, which is this one, we'll just put over here. Yeah, click on save. So this is all about Hostinger, how to set up Hostinger email.